Take some practice swings. Practice swings. No swinging over your head. Remember, you're trying too hard. There you go. Just because. Oh, there you go. Ooh.
I hit it.
You hit that thing over there.
I hit the fire hydrant.
Yep.
But it's fake.
All right, my turn. Here. You get me. Okay. Can you see it? Put your string, put your hand on this because I don't want you to lose it. All right, can you see me? Can you see that thing?
Yeah. See ya.
All right, back up. Can you see me?
Yep. Do I take a picture?
No, you're videotaping right now.
Oh.
Let's get back. Can you see everything?
Uh-huh.
Let's go back. Try it again.
It's my turn.
Let's see what you're going to do with it. There you go. Uh-oh. You got 50 that time.